Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into QQQ. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. To enhance your trading decisions, we invite you to try our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Starting from December 1, 2023, our system has ranked the stock QQQ as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.37. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Although the stock has experienced some natural fluctuations, it is currently at a loss of -1.25% since we initially recommended it as a hold/accumulate. This means that on average, it has been losing -0.31% per day since it was listed as a hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently experiencing a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 6.45% change over the next 3 months. The potential return during this period could range between -2.05% and 9.18%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 42.57% change over the next year. The potential return within this timeframe could range between 32.16% and 46.98%. This translates to a price range of $508.87 to $565.94 after 1 year. Our latest update on the QQQ ETF reveals that its price ended at $385.05 on Wednesday, experiencing a decrease of 0.578%. On the last day, Wednesday, December 6, 2023, the QQQ ETF price declined by 0.578%, moving from $387.29 to $385.05. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.47%, reaching a low of $384.70 and a high of $390.37. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a cumulative decrease of 0.88%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which aligns with market expectations. Specifically, the volume fell by 894,000 shares, with a total of 40 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to roughly $15.27 billion in value. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $394.14, while the lowest price was $259.73. At present, the price stands 2.31% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $9.09. Furthermore, the current price is 5.79% below the all-time high, which occurred on November 22, 2021, when the price reached $408.71. The QQQ ETF is showing some interesting signals. Let's take a closer look. In the short term, the moving average indicates a sell signal for the QQQ ETF. However, in the long term, there is a buy signal from the average. This means that overall, there is a positive forecast for the stock. It's worth noting that the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, which reinforces the buy signal. If the ETF continues to gain value, it might encounter resistance around $388.20, which is the level of the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the ETF falls, it may find support near $373.40, which is the level of the long-term average. A break above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. These are important points to consider. Additionally, there have been some negative signals that could impact the ETF's near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, and since then, the ETF has declined by -1.46%. This suggests that further decline may occur until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. This adds to the cautionary signs. It's worth mentioning that volume and price have been moving in tandem, with both decreasing during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. However, it's important to remain vigilant and keep an eye on any significant changes. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a sell signal. Pivots, we have a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, we have a buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, we have a sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, we have a buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, we have a buy signal 22 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, we have a buy signal 25 days ago. Long-term moving average, we have a buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, we have a buy signal 11 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $364.70 and $359.97. When an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $364.70. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $359.97 and $343.66. The ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. Over the last day, the ETF moved $5.67 between its high and low, representing a 1.47% change. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 1.2%. Before we discuss the good trading levels for QQQ, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, let's dive into some key day trading levels for QQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for QQQ, which is set at $385.33. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you already own QQQ, this could be an interesting level to explore for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if the market takes a downturn, QQQ will encounter its initial support level at $364.70. If this level holds, it could potentially provide a favorable entry point, as we anticipate a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $368.56, which represents a decrease of 4.28%. This particular ETF has relatively low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. Furthermore, our analysis indicates a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 11 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? While the QQQ ETF shows some positive signals, we don't believe it's strong enough to be considered a buy candidate. We recommend holding or accumulating this position and waiting for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For Thursday, December 7th, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open up $1.66 and start trading at $386.71. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's crucial that you consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts by commenting below. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future updates. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being a part of the Stock Invest community.